Here's another property in Otaru, and here it is in the wintertime covered with snow. This is a 2.3 million yen property. That's 15,000 USD, two-story 4LDK built in 1968, 101 square meters of building space and 148 square meters total. About an 8-minute drive or 17-minute bus ride from Atami Station. There is parking at this property. That's where I was parked. That is not the right parking spot. The neighbor pulled up and let me know. She seemed to be very nice and understanding. I apologized, moved my car. Here's the entrance to the home. For this price, it seems to be in relatively good condition. There are, of course, things that will need to be attended to. Here's the entranceway and a floor plan of the building. You can see the stairs to the second floor off to the right. Here is the living room. There are some items left in this home. Does overall look a bit dated, as you can tell, but built in 1968. That is to be expected. Closet space off to the left here. Plenty of storage. Homes in this area, if you're looking in Otaru, it's a little bit stuck there, did get it open. If you're looking in Otaru, you probably know properties do go very quickly. It is a competitive market, especially homes like this that are on the lower end and seem to be in decent condition. Actually surprised at the price of this home. So if you're interested in purchasing, I always do recommend partner with a agent like ourselves. We are a licensed real estate agent to be in the forefront of the search and be one of the first to view properties when they do pop up on the market, because chances are if you're looking at properties that are online on channels like Rising Sun Properties, they might already be off the market. Not double pane windows, but there are 2 doors here to assist trying to keep the heat in the winter. Nice quiet neighborhood. You do have some space between the neighbors. Archway door into the kitchen with a bit of a patio off to the right. Again, this area does look dated. Items here and there left about the house. And yeah, of course, this is going to look a lot better if you renovate it. Probably is okay to use as is, but not ideal. One thing to consider, renovation costs are going up worldwide, of course. Water was not on. So, prior to COVID, prices are now basically double what they were. So that is something to consider. I think overall, compared to countries like America, renovation costs are lower. If you get somebody local, you might be able to do renovations for a little bit cheaper. However, the quality might not be the same. I've seen some lower end renovations done in various homes, and the quality is not as great as if you hire the true professionals, but you have to pay for that. Door is a bit awkward opening, but there's a slider here into the bath and shower area. A small place for a washing machine. See me ducking underneath the doorway there. So off to the right, that's where you put your washing machine, which would really cramp up that area, but that is the place that they have for it. So There it is. Your water heater. And bath and shower area. My parents were just in town for 3 weeks and they were kind of blown away at the style of baths here in Japan, just having the space to stand and take a shower comfortably instead of standing in a tub doing it. I'm sure many have visited Japan and then have remodeled their house afterwards. Checking the doors, they do just seem to be closing okay. One toilet off here to the right towards the entrance of the home. There is a garage outside that you saw in the video, but I was unable to get into it because I did not have the keys. There it is right there, that small shed. You can park in front there. Onto the second floor. I think there are 3 rooms up here, technically. Closet space there. Again, kind of double windowed. One is just a slider. Off to the right is the front of the home and where you enter off the road. So again, overall for this price, I think it's a pretty decent home to consider. I would think they would be asking a bit more for this home. But there it is, 2.3 million yen. Probably will need to keep the items as is. Usually that's the case. Usually kind of 50-50. Sometimes they'll agree to take the items out of the home. Sometimes it's just bought as is. We really don't know until we move forward with the property, and those things are negotiated. Negotiations aren't always possible. A lot of times the homes are listed at a reasonable price already. Real estate isn't the same it is in other countries, so homes being listed are at basically fair market value. Market just kind of regulates itself. Seems to be shutting okay, which means hopefully not too much tilting going on in the home. Maybe some water staining up on the ceiling. Right there, not sure what's going on there. Tatami, okay the way it is, but would look a lot better if it's replaced. Always check above the ceilings in the closet. Sometimes you see water staining there. Here is what was a balcony. And I opened this up and that thing fell straight out. Took a bit to get it back in, but I did get it back in. But obviously there's no balcony at this moment. Looking for water staining on the corner. This is facing the front. And here is the last room that's closed off by the shoji doors. So as you see, this home has not been renovated at all in recent years, and could take quite a bit to get everything renovated. If you're just wanting a spot to kind of crash out during the ski season, there's looks like some more water staining there, then probably wouldn't need too much. But if you wanted a full renovation of the home, it could be quite a bit. Once you get started on renovating stuff and then you want to do this and that, those can build up and add up and cost quite quickly. Family Mart. And the doorbell is the same sound as Family Mart when you walk in. One of my old apartments in Nagoya actually had the same doorbell. Bit of nostalgia there. There's a kerosene tank that you often see in these homes here in the mountain areas. Little bit of a crack there. For the year, the foundation didn't look too bad, to be honest. Small yard area. Siding's a little banged up. Always checking for major cracking in all the homes that we view. And there's that balcony that's connected off to the kitchen and a place that used to be a balcony up on the second floor. So there's the home here in Otaru. If you're interested in purchasing property here or anywhere in Japan, please reach out via email or WhatsApp. We have more information on our website that I'll link into the description. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.